Director General of the OECS Commission, staff of the OECS Commission, representatives of the OECS institutions based in St. Lucia, fellow Grenadians resident in St. Lucia, other invited guests. I am thankful for the opportunity to address you on this momentous occasion, Grenada's 45th anniversary of independence. 45 years as an independent country is indeed a significant milestone. It implies a certain level of maturity, and as a nation, we have matured through our many experiences over the last 4.5 decades. The trajectory of our development has been an upward trend in recent years. The government of Grenada remains committed to the process of enhancing the economic transformation of our country and the social well-being of our people. As we celebrate the 45th anniversary of Grenada's independence, it is an opportune time for us as nationals, whether at home or residing in neighboring St. Lucia, to recommit ourselves to the development of our beloved homeland. As a government, we are committed to ensuring that our development is inclusive and diverse. I encourage you to continue being the patriotic nationals that you are, and I commend your contributions from afar. At this juncture in our history, we must underscore the importance of unity and the need to work together to further enhance our development. Even as we pursue our national priorities, we remain committed to the ideals of regional integration and to the work of the organizations such as Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, OECS, which promote good governance and economic harmonization. The OECS and the many institutions that exist within it, such as the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, continue to champion the best interests of member states. We must, as a region, therefore, reaffirm our commitment to these united efforts, for there is strength in unity. As individual countries, we continue to enjoy various successes, but it is through collaboration that we'll maximize the benefits of those efforts. Let us continue to build on the legacy of our forefathers as we prepare to pass the baton to the next generation. I thank you, my OECS sisters and brothers, and Grenadian nationals in St. Lucia, for joining us in celebrating the 45th anniversary of Grenada's independence. I thank you.